Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset mouse settings to default in Windows 11. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, click Mouse Settings. Click Pointers tab, select Windows Default, System Scheme. Click Pointer Options, change pointer motion speed. Click Apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click your mouse, click UDPAT driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.